Hey guys, hope you all are doing well, and today I'm gonna teach you Python programming from starting to end. And trust me, after completing this course, you're surely able to write Python programs, and also you can develop some Python projects. And in this course, we are going to use Visual Studio Code, which is one of the coolest code editor. VS Code is from Microsoft and it is a great platform for development of Python. It is having so many advanced tools and cool features, and also it is available for all the platforms. So without wasting time, I'll open my Google Chrome and type here download Python because we want to download Python software. So click on this Python site. Here you can see so many Python packages, but we will download latest releases. So click on download here and save the file. So next we will download Visual Studio Code. So I'll type here in Google for download VS Code. There are so many results, but click on official site of VS Code. As you can see here, VS Code package for Windows, Linux, Mac. So whatever system you are having, you can download VS Code for that. I am having Windows. Then save this file. Now both Python and VS Code started downloading. After downloading finish, then you have to simply open the file and install it in as usual way. Click on next and finish.